Hey, it's MK, and I am here to introduce to you guys our brand new second session of our Blank to Bold class. It is an all new mixed media class just for scrapbookers. So if you guys are looking for some inspiration on how to use mixed media in your backgrounds for your scrapbook layouts, we have 24 layout samples coming your way, transitions into taking a sketch and how to make it into your own based off of your photos, your subject, all that good stuff. We've got 8 Zoom sessions coming together. We've got 6 sketches that are exclusive just for your just for this class. We've got 6 recipes that are go-to recipes of mixed media. Some of them are wet medium, some of them are dry for those that don't like messy. We've got 12 pre-recorded videos in addition to all of the Zoom classes. We're going to show you some overview of a few of our favorite products, as well as some storage solutions. And then, of course, always we've got a private Facebook group, so everybody has a safe place to share. This class will start with a meet and greet on September 8th at 4:30 Pacific Standard Time, and I hope that you guys check out the link down below. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact me, and I cannot wait to see you guys on the 8th. Bye!